This is the beginner's guide to hacking, from start to finish. If you've ever been curious about the mysterious world of hacking, wondered how hackers break into systems, or wanted to learn the skills to protect yourself in the digital age, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the thrilling, high-stakes world of ethical hacking, step by step. Buckle up, because this is going to be an eye-opening ride. Before we get in, this video is for educational purposes only. Always obtain permission before testing systems. Now let's get in first things first. Hacking isn't just about being the bad guy in a hoodie. Ethical hacking, also called white hat hacking, is about using these skills to secure systems, protect data, and outsmart cyber criminals. Whether you're dreaming of a career in cybersecurity or just want to know how hackers think, this guide will take you from zero to hero. Ready? Let's jump in. What is hacking? So, what is hacking? At its core, hacking is finding creative ways to exploit or manipulate systems. Think computers, networks, or even websites. There are two sides: black hat hackers, who break in for malicious reasons, and white hat hackers who use their powers for good. Today, we're focusing on the ethical side, learning how to test and secure systems like a pro. Here's the kicker. Ethical hackers get paid to think like criminals without breaking the law. Companies hire them to find weaknesses before the bad guys do. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius to start. Let's break it down. The hacker's toolkit. Every hacker needs tools. And no, we're not talking about a crowbar. You'll need a computer, any decent laptop will do, and a willingness to learn. Start with a free operating system like Kali Linux, which comes loaded with hacking tools. Don't worry if that sounds intimidating. We'll walk you through it. Some beginner-friendly tools include Nmap for scanning networks, Wireshark for sniffing out data packets, and Metasploit for testing vulnerabilities. Don't know what those are yet? No problem. Think of them as your digital lockpicks. You'll learn how to use them as you go. Step 1. Master the basics. Hacking is like building a house. You need a solid foundation. Start with understanding how networks work. Terms like IP addresses, ports, and protocols are your bread and butter. Next, get comfy with Linux. Why? Because most hacking tools run on it, and it's free. Finally, dip your toes into programming. Python is a great start. It's beginner-friendly and super powerful for scripting hacks. Pro tip: you don't need to be an expert overnight. Start small, practice daily, and you'll be surprised how fast you progress. Step 2. Reconnaissance, the art of gathering info. Now let's get sneaky, but ethically, of course. The first step in any hack is reconnaissance, or recon. This is where you gather info about your target, like a digital detective. You can use tools like Google, OI's lookups, or even social media to find weak points. For example, a company's outdated website might reveal vulnerabilities. The goal? Know your target better than they know themselves. Here's a wild stat. 90% of successful hacks start with simple info gathering. That's right, most breaches happen because someone left a digital door unlocked. Step 3. Scanning and exploitation. Once you've got the intel, it's time to scan. Tools like Nmap help you find open ports or weak services on a system. Think of it like checking a house for open windows. Found a vulnerability? Now you can try exploiting it. Ethically, of course. Tools like Metasploit let you test exploits safely to see if you can gain access. But here's the catch. Ethical hackers always get permission before testing. Without it, you're crossing into illegal territory. Always play by the rules. 4. Securing systems. Here's where ethical hacking shines. Once you've found a weakness, you don't just walk away, you fix it. This might mean recommending stronger passwords, updating software, or setting up firewalls. The goal is to make the system bulletproof against real attackers. You're not just a hacker, you're a protector. Fun fact, companies like Google and Microsoft pay millions to ethical hackers through bug bounty programs. That's right, you can earn serious cash by finding and fixing flaws. How to get started? Ready to dive in? Here's your game plan. First, join free resources like TryHackMe or Hack the Box to practice in safe legal environments. Next, check out certifications like CompTIA Security, Plus or CEH Certified Ethical Hacker to boost your skills. And don't forget to join hacking communities on Reddit or Discord to learn from pros. The best part? You can start today. No degree required, just curiosity and persistence. The hacking world is waiting for you. That's it. The ultimate beginner's guide to hacking. From recon to securing systems, you now know the roadmap to becoming an ethical hacker. If you're as pumped as I am, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below. What's the first hacking tool you want to try? Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay curious and stay secure.